Hello everyone and a special hi to all realme fans. This is Murali, Executive Director, Celekt Mobiles. Today I'm super excited to unveil the new X Factor in India's mobile market. Join me in unboxing the fabulous X7 Pro. Wow, the new X7 Pro looks very slim and very light, and it's pretty comfortable to hold it in my hand. And need to mention that here the logo, I think this is pretty new. Realme X7 Pro has 6.55 inches display, and it uses E3, the Super AMOLED display, which provides much clearer and brighter visuals. Now let's see how the touchscreen behaves. For me, the touch looks really brilliant and quite responsive with a great resolution. The Realme X7 Pro uses industry's most advanced energy efficient Dimensity 1000 plus 5G flagship processor that lets you play games and browse applications with seamless speed. The new generation under-screen fingerprint sensor provides faster unlocking, and also it ensures that the information is safe and secure. With its 5G plus 5G dual SIM dual standby feature, I'm sure we are all set to experience the blazing super fast 5G network speeds. Thanks to the 65 watt Super Dart, this 4500 mAh battery can go on a charge from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes. It also comes protected by an intelligent 5-core chip system that lets the device to go on a charge even while you are playing games or watching movies. Realme X7 Pro is equipped with 64MP quad camera setup. This phone will produce super bright images. At the core of the 64MP quad camera is Sony IMX686 sensor. The Realme 7 Pro comes with a 32MP in-display selfie camera that has high resolution and nightscape mode too. Believe me, the Realme X7 Pro is definitely the best in its class smartphone and yet affordable for all. Visit your nearest Celekt Mobile store or visit celekt.com and grab in the all-new Realme X7 Pro today.
Realme smartphone. Dare to lead.